Hello children, welcome to our maths period. After exercise 5.1, our next topic is telling the time in 5-minute intervals. Here you can see a clock is given. If you observe this clock, you can find that there is a small lines between every two numbers. Suppose we take 2 and 3. So you can see there is a small lines between them. So how many that lines we will see it? Let's count it. 1 2 3 4 means every two number have four lines in between them. Now what this line shows, this line shows the minutes, means one line means 1 minute, two line shows 2, three lines means 3 minutes, four line means 4, and when it reach exact to the number, that means 5 minutes are completed. So every two number have the gap of 5 minutes. So if we want to read the time of the given clock, so how we will read it? Here you can see the hour hand is between 12 and 1 and minute hand is on 6. So what will be the time of the given clock? Here is written 12:30. This thing you know. That means if the minute hand is on 6, we will read it as 12:30. But in minutes, how will we say the time? Means we will count the time. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 means 30 minutes past 12. This way you can say the time. If I say there is a small trick if you want to know the time, so you can use the table of 5 to tell the number. Means wherever the minute hand is there, you will say the table of 5 up to that number. Suppose here is 6, so 5 6 are 30. So what's the time? 12:30. Suppose minute hand is on 4, so 5 4s are 20, so 12:20. This way you can say the time. You can use the table of 5 to the tell the time. Okay, here few clocks are given. In first clock both the hands is on 12, so what's the time? That is 12 o'clock. In the second watch, in the second clock, there is the minute hand is on 1 and hour hand is on 12, so what's the time? 12:05, or else you can read it as 5 minute past 12. Second, minute hand is on 2 and hour hand is on 12, so what's the time of the given clock? That means 5 minutes and 5 10, so 10 minutes past 12, or else 12:10 you can say. In third watch, third clock, minute hand is on 3 and hour hand is on 12, so what is the time of the given clock? So you can read the table of 5 up to 3, that is 5 3s are 15, 15 12 15, or else you can say it as 15 minutes past 12, or else you know the third way also, quarter past 12. Next, in fourth clock the time is 12:40. 5 4s are 40, 5 4s are 20, sorry, 5 4s are 20, so 20 minutes past 12. Next, 12:25, so 25 minutes past 12. Here how the time is, how the minutes are 25, you can see here 5 10 15 20 25, so 25 minutes past 12. Next, you can, this way you can find the time of the given clock. So we will move towards our exercise 5.2. 5.2, indicate what is the time in each of the clocks. So you have to tell the time of the given clocks. Here you can see the hour hand is between 2 and 3 and minute hand is on 8. So what is the time of the given clock? Means 2, how many minutes are there? You will use the 5 tables up to the 8 as the minute hand is on 8, so 5 8s are 40. So what's the time? 2:40, or else you can write it as 40 minute past 2. In second, the hour hand is in between 3 and 4 and minute hand is on 3. So what's the time of the given clock? 3. Well, how many minutes? 5, 10, 15, or else you say the 5's table up to 3, that is 5 3s are 15. So 3:15, or how will you write it as 15 minutes past 3, or the third way is also there, you can say it as quarter past 3. So you can also write it as quarter past 3, this way. In third clock, what's the time is there? So the hour hand is not exactly on 4 but reaches to 4, and minute hand is on 11. So what's the time of the given clock? That means 3:55. You can say 5 tens are 50, 50 plus 5 is 55, or else you can count it here: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. So 3:55, or else you can write it as 55 minutes past 3. Okay, in this way you can write the time of the clock shows. So I hope you can do the remaining D, E and F sums. Question number 2, draw the hour hand and minute hand to show the given time of the clock face. So in the first clock, the time we have to show, that is 6:20, means 6 o'clock and 20 minutes are past. So minute hand and hour hand we have to show. So hour hand is on 6. Hour hand should be smaller than the minute hand, so smaller hour hand and 20 minutes. So and use the 5 tables to show the minute hand. So in 5's table, at which place 20 we found? 5 4s are 20. So that means minute hand is on 4, or else you can do like this also: 5, 10, 15, 20. So you got the 20 at here, so you can draw the minute hand at here also. So this way we can draw the hands of the given clock. Next is 11:50. 11:50, so we will draw the hour hand is in between 11 and 12, and minute hand is on, as 50 minutes are there. So 5 tens are 50, means our minute hand is on 10. This way. That means 11:50 is there. Next, see 4:10, means our hand is on 4 and minute hand is on 10. 10 means at 10 comes which place in 5's table? That means 5 2s are 10. So we will draw the minute hand on 10, or else you can do like this also: 5 10, so 10 reaches at here, so draw the minute hand at 2. So this way you can show the time of the given clock. So I hope you can do the D, E and F sums.